What's this? What's this? Can you look your hand in right there? Grab right here. Go ahead.
Christmas, baby.
Would it be easier like this? Grab it, honey. Come on.
She's like, nah, you can do it for me.
There. Grab tight.
Oh,
Good job. Yeah. Keep going. Keep pulling. Keep pulling it. Yeah.
look
Yeah.
at you.
Keep pulling it. Yeah, yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling. Grab it. Grab it. Yeah. 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 You having fun with your wrapping paper? Yeah. So wait till you see what's in here. You're gonna have a lot more fun. Yeah. Okay. Keep pulling. Look at how excited you're getting. What is it? What's in here? Oh, it's a box. It's a box.
She's like, yeah, right, Dad.
Okay.
What's in that
Let's
box?
see what's in this box. I don't know. What's it feel like to you? What do you think's in there? Is that a puppy? Is it a new kitty?
No.
Is it a new Lexus? No. No.
That's pretty funny, Daddy.
It's another Owlie, but it's a piggy bank so we can save money up for you. Do you like your Owlie? Oh, isn't it so cute?
With your big Ollie.
Yeah. You put money in here and you save it.
No,
And
not.
this one actually has a plug so you don't have to ever break it. Yeah. This will be your own little personal bank. Your little owl bank. Isn't that cool?
Merry Christmas.
You like that?